As May and the better weather are here, we have lots of great new videos to inspire you. We've arrived at the third and final part of our Maggie Davis series on Hawaiian applique, and in this episode Maggie is demonstrating perfect points. We also arrive at part 3 of Dion Swift's sensational sewing seminar series. In this episode, Dion is telling us all about the importance of thread selection and the advantages of quality threads in all of your sewing work. Valerie Nesbitt is in the studio showing us how to create this lovely heart block as part of the Turning 20 quilt pattern, and our expert crochet artist, Gaynor White, returns with this excellent workshop on creating a very useful and attractive purse. We also move on to the second episode of our new Structural Stitches workshop series from Dion Swift. In this episode, she demonstrates the joy of no-hand sewing and shows us how useful it is for building confidence and skills with your sewing machine. And finally, our Tip Thursday for May features Lucy Engels, telling us how her background in printmaking inspires her quilt designs. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our workshops, led by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.